Status emergency?
The house is on fire.
Okay, we're on the way.
Welcome to Firearmy. When the alarm bell rang, without a moment's hesitation, we rushed into the sea of fire. Like warriors with courage in our hearts and burning will in our eyes. At 7:45 p.m., a three-story office building under construction in Montgomery County caught fire.
Oh, the fuck.
The fire spread, causing the building to collapse and affecting surrounding structures. The Montgomery County Fire Department and support units were forced to close the 145 feeder. One firefighter suffered minor burns and was taken to the hospital. The fire attorney's office is investigating the cause of the fire. At 3:10 a.m., a major fire broke out at the Parkland School District bus garage on Stadium Drive in South Whitehall, PA.
Calling from 2007, please.
Firefighters found heavy smoke and flames, as well as multiple explosions inside the building. The fire was brought under control after about an hour, but at least 8 buses were damaged, and the school district was closed for the next day. On the morning of December 26, 2024, a house fire at 721 Cedar Street in Allentown required 3 fire alarms and multiple units.
On first. 43 48, guys.
The fire started in a mid-level home and spread to 5 adjacent homes. A woman trapped in the basement was rescued and taken to the hospital.
10 is pumping to 13. We do not have a hydrant.
The cause of the fire is under investigation.
Oh, thank you. We dropped it out.
Emergency?
The house is on fire.
Okay, we're on the way.
On March 14, 2018, Stockton firefighters extinguished a fire at a 2-story home where an explosion occurred due to illegal butane-based honey oil production.
Give me somebody to the front door. Help me.
Engine 6 on scene, we'll back up engine again.
Alarm assignments, engine 11, engine 9.
I copy engine 11, engine 9.
2 survivors were treated at the scene, and a secondary fire was brought under control without major incident. On August 13, 2019, a large fire on North Walnut Street, Mount Carmel, was determined to be arson. Misty Dunbar and Michelle Rhodes were arrested within 24 hours on 13 charges. Two homes were totaled and a firefighter suffered minor injuries. At approximately 2 p.m., a fire broke out at the Society Hill development on Woodwood Road in Bernards Township, Somerset County. The fire caused the roof to collapse, forcing firefighters to retreat downstairs. Apartments to the east of the firewall were spared serious damage. At 1:33 a.m. on February 19, 2021, San Bernardino Fire Department responded to a fire at a commercial building on West 9th Street and North Mount Vernon Avenue. The fire spread to an adjacent hardware store, but was quickly brought under control. The cause of the fire is under investigation and there were no injuries. The building is a total loss. At 7:39 p.m. on January 27, 2022, fire crews were dispatched to an old commercial building fire at East Highland and Golden Avenue, San Bernardino. Firefighters decided on a defensive strategy and after 30 minutes, the fire was under control. At 12:40 a.m. Monday, Emmaus Fire Station responded to a fire at 502 East Main Street, where an adjacent home was engulfed in flames.
741 to 7 Command, Fireground 1.
A second alarm was called and crews began defensive tactics. Water trucks were called in to provide water support and the Red Cross assisted 2 families who were left homeless. A house fire was reported at 10:45 p.m. Tuesday night at 39 South 4th Street in Copley Borough with reports of someone trapped. When police arrived, the house was heavily engulfed in flames, with power lines down in the street. Whitehall Fire Department quickly deployed 5 hose lines to contain the fire and extinguish the fire on the porch connecting the 2 sides of the duplex. Fortunately, no one was trapped during the incident. If you find these stories about the bravery and dedication of firefighters meaningful and inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next miraculous rescues. See you in the upcoming exciting stories.